punch this yellow ball into the washing machine, so yeah. This may take quite a few tries. Oops. Hit the rim of it. Oh, that was really close. Needs to go fully in though. Oops, my sweet came out in my bathroom. Oh, that was way too high. I'm rushing it a bit. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, this is annoying. I keep getting really close, but I keep missing it. Like that. That was really, really close. Ah, come on. Oh, come on. Yes, okay. So, see if it's in there. Yeah, it's fully in there. So I got it in there. That was quite long, but we got it in the end, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed that video. It was a bit